Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I'm cooking turkey thighs today. Look at how big these turkey thighs are. They're huge. Yeah, I'm cooking turkey thighs. These turkeys are raised without antibiotics. Yeah. So let's go and marinate. This mixture is it's chicken spice and barbecue spice. That's the mixture that I'm using. And this is black pepper. This is assorted seasonings too. So when I'm using this, there's no need to add salt because the spices are salty themselves. So there's no need to add salt. Alright. And then I have a turmeric here. So like 1 tablespoon, like 1 teaspoon of turmeric. I know the measurements already because I always cook if I don't use the spoon. Okay guys. So this is larger, it's a mixture of other spices too. Yeah. And then I have dark soya sauce here. And I'm gonna use little bit of olive oil to bind the spices. And then I have Hoisin sauce with garlic. Now I'm gonna rub in. See, rub together like this, and then and after I'm gonna let it stand for 45 minutes to an hour before I put it in the oven. Washing my hands. Some dashes of lemon. This is lemon. And I have very hot pepper here. You see how I'm holding it. This pepper, I planted it in my balcony garden, but I'm not gonna put all. I have a piece here. That's what I'm gonna put, the small one. Just gonna throw it there. It's very hot. And then I have other kinds. This is green onion from my balcony garden. I'm gonna add it in. This is basil from my balcony garden too. I'm gonna put it in the basil. This is ginger. I'm gonna put ginger in. Some garlic, throw the garlic in. Italian oregano. This is Italian oregano. These herbs are from my balcony garden. And this is rosemary. I'll put the rosemary in. Thai hot pepper. Thai hot pepper is from the store. But all these herbs are from my balcony garden. So this is it. From there I'm going to transfer it into another baking dish with a parchment paper which I prepared already here. Yeah, so I'm going to transfer it here when times come after 45 to an hour, 45 minutes to an hour. I'm going to transfer and put it in the oven. So thank you guys for watching my channel. Please don't forget to like this video, share the video, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a nice one.